Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how you can download and install the Revolut application on your Android or iOS device. This step works for both Android and iOS, so let's follow along. First of all, unlock your Android device or your iPhone and make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you have this stable internet connected, open up your Google Play Store or App Store. In the search bar appearing at the top, type in Revolut and search. Now in the search result, look for this application that says Revolut Mobile Finance from Revolut Limited. Make sure that it is the app developed from Revolut Limited. Avoid any fake applications. And now tap on the install or the get or the cloud icon to begin downloading the app on your smartphone. If you're downloading the app for the first time on your iOS, you'll need to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Now wait for the installation to complete, which will take a couple of minutes. Once it's done, tap on the Open button to open up the Revolut application on your smartphone. So that's it. You've successfully learned how to download the original or the official Revolut application on your Android or iOS. Now you're ready to explore easy digital banking, payments, and more, all from your phone. Just go ahead and log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one and enjoy the smooth experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.